Hey guys, welcome to another Night in the Shop. I'm Fred. So tonight we got some small welding things to do. A project for my, what do you call it, the rotary table, welding positioner, I guess you'd call it. Support bars that go in between the two stands that hold the actual table itself. We're going to weld some little tabs on the end, that are already pre-drilled. Stands are pre-drilled to hold it all together. Also, I have acquired a couple of these old tool holders. Remember using these in school on an old Southbend. Not using them anymore. If anybody's interested in them, send me an email. I'll put the link below, and I'll be happy to send them out to you. I don't use them. I use everything I have is quick change on my lathe. But I was at a little auction there, and some guy had this box of bits and these arms here. The bits I've already promised to another guy, but I got these two tool holders here for Southbend. I'll give you a close up. I'm not using these. One's a right hand, one's a straight. If you're interested in them, send me an email and I'll put them in the mail for you. Alright, so getting back to it, yeah, we're going to weld up these tabs here on the sides. A couple TIG welding projects here. I try to use the old stands, it's just no good. So, and we got to make a backstop on it so I can adjust the angle. So that's what we're going to do tonight. Get this stuff welded up and mount it all. Alright, hang in there. Okay guys, let's start. I'm using a 2% laminated 30 seconds electrode, Argon mix, 50-50. I always use it, especially when I'm doing some really thick aluminum, so I'm using it now. So yeah, we're going to put a couple tacks here and then get everything all tacked up and then weld it up. Alright, hang in there. little stuck. Okay guys, that's one all done. I'm going to try to pick that up. We'll just stick this over there by the press and around on the floor here, and we'll start the other one. I'll come back when we're all done. Alright, hang in there guys. Okay guys, we're back. I mounted the main head to the stand here. Ride's really smooth, really happy about that. I just got to make a little adjustment rod so I can bring this all the way down to 90 degrees and then back up and be able to make adjustments even if I'm doing one of these and, you know, tigging. So yeah, pretty happy about that. Finally got the stand. I should have taken my time with the first one, and I thought I had all the calculations right, but the tabletop I got from my lathe was just a little bit bigger than I anticipated. So yeah, so this is working great. I just got to put an adjustment rod on there and go. Yep, that's about it. All right, guys, hang in there. Let me just get back in focus here and we'll come back. Okay, guys, we're back. So the cross members are in. Head's working perfect. Moves nice and smooth. I'm going to reposition the ground on the head itself. I got some these magnetic grounds. I got them from a company called Canadian Welding Supply. They're in the far end of town, in just outside of Toronto there, I think Vaughan or something. Well, in Toronto, in the GTA. This is what I'm going to use to ground the head now. I'm just going to stick a cable on there, stick it to the table, and clamp it down. And you're not moving that thing. This one here is good for 300 amps, so that's perfect. Won't overheat on me. Yeah, I really like this. This is just awesome. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about using that. Anyways, I got some more goodies. One of my friends at work, we both do a lot of welding at work, and we just got another Everlast at work, and EXT 255 EXT, and we just got a water cooler. So he's got a CK Worldwide flex lock. I tried that thing. It was like the cat's meow. Like we're building some big gates down there, and going around the corners to weld, it was just fantastic. So I end up buying one from the same place, Canadian Welding Supplies. This one's got the small stubby head on it. It's water cooled. It's good for 250 amps. I'll give you shots of that tomorrow or maybe the next day. And then I also got another torch for my son. I got a Speedway SW320 SA. It's got a steeper slope on the head, so you can get into tight places. I'll get into unwrapping that and maybe plugging it and giving it a shot. Also got from my daughter I've got a Furic and Pyrex lens collection with all the insulators, and I got some spare heads for my CK flex lock. This is for 17. I always use a stubby, but some nice big Pyrex gas lenses there. Some Furic cups with the extra screens. All this came from Canadian Welding Supplies. I started using these brass wedge collets because when you're pumping a lot of amperage through the regular collet, it gets all deformed and bent out of shape. And I'll give you a close-up of what I saved every time I'm doing some big aluminum. The collets end up deforming, so I'll give you a few shots of my deformed collets, and I'll give you a shot of those brass wedge collets I'm using now. The brass wedge collets, they don't deform, and they're awesome. They came from the same company, Canadian Welding Supply. I think they get all their majority of their torches from CK Worldwide, which is an outstanding company. They make torches for every single thing you can think of. I remember going to the Fab Tech show in by the airport there, and talked to the guy from CK Worldwide, and like I said, he had every single torch you could think of. One that looks like a toothbrush that's about this long. It's got a tiny, tiny, tiny little head on it. I think something like that would be used like in aerospace to do maybe some jet engines or some sort of stuff. But yeah, they got everything. With that being said, I'll give you some close-ups of the torches I got and later on. And for now, I'd just like to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks for hanging in there. You guys have a great night. Bye for now.